Hello, welcome to part 2 of the demo video series on protecting data on PowerMax arrays with Data Manager. In this demo, we will deploy a block volume protection engine, create a protection policy for backing up the storage group assets. We'll also perform an on-demand backup for the storage group asset added to the protection policy. To deploy the block volume protection engine from the Data Manager UI, navigate to Infrastructure, Protection Engines. In the VM Direct Engines pane of the Protection Engines window, click Add. The Add Protection Engine wizard displays. On the Protection Engine configuration page, complete the required fields. For this demo, I am continuing without a virtual network configuration, so I am leaving the preferred network port group selection blank. Click Next to continue. Review the summary and click Finish. We have an informational message that says, after successfully deploying the block volume protection engine, the discovery of PowerMax storage arrays is required to protect block volume assets. The block volume protection engine is now successfully deployed. Let's manually discover the PowerMax array. When we check the system jobs, we see that the discovery is now successful. To create a protection policy from the Data Manager UI, we'll start by navigating to Protection and Protection Policies, and then click Add. Enter the name of the policy. Here we'll call it PowerMax Protection, and choose the type as PowerMax Block. Select the purpose as Crash Consistent. When performing an Application Consistent backup, in the Asset Groups section, select Application Consistent Asset Groups with scripts enabled. If the protection policy is for Crash Consistent Asset Protection only, as it is here, you can click Next to proceed to the Assets page. For this demo, we will perform a crash consistent backup of storage groups. Click Add to select the assets to be added to this protection policy. For this demo, we will back up the storage group named TME Storage Group 2. So this storage group consists of 2 volumes. I have masked the storage group containing these volumes to an ESXi host and attached it to a Windows application host. Both volumes contain data. Also, I would like to show here that we see that only the child storage groups are visible. We can add them to the protection policy because we set the protection level to child for this parent storage group. With the storage group selected, we click Add. On the Add Policy page, under Primary Backup, enter the schedule and retention details. We can select either synthetic full or full for the storage group backup. Click Save and click Next. Review the summary and click Finish. We can monitor the policy configuration from the System Jobs page. The policy configuration jobs are in progress. And now we see that the policy configuration jobs are successful. Now that we have completed the policy configuration, let's go on to perform an on-demand backup to the PowerProtect data domain for the storage group asset added to this protection policy. To perform an on-demand backup, select the policy and click Protect Now. Then choose the configuration Backup Now. Select the backup type, enter the retention details, and click Next. Review the summary details and click Protect Now. We can monitor the progress of the backup job from the Protection Jobs section. The protection job is in progress. In the step log details, we can see the protection engine that is used to perform the backup. The backup job is now successful, and we can examine the details in the step log. Let's verify the protection copies from the Data Manager UI. Navigate to Restore, then Assets. Select the PowerMax Block tab. Here we see the storage group asset that has a backup copy available for restore. In our next video, Part 3, we'll see how to use Data Manager to perform a restore of storage group data. For more details about what we've covered here, see the technical white paper, Dell PowerProtect Data Manager, Protecting Data on Dell PowerMax Arrays, and refer to PowerProtect Data Manager Storage Array User Guide. Thanks for watching.